Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Oh god. My name, right? Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Shelby and I am a wellness coach and fashion enthusiast. So if you like seeing fitness stuff, fashion stuff, that's exactly what you're gonna see on this channel. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and click subscribe. Click the bell so you get notified of when I'm gonna be posting up my videos. And let's go ahead and get started. So I am super excited because today I've got my first Gucci belt. Y'all know the one, that double G gold black leather belt. I just got it today and I'm super excited to show you guys some of my favorite looks using some of my super favorite Fashion Nova outfits. So let's go ahead and check them out. Alright, so we're going to start by unboxing this beauty, and I wanted to go step by step and show you what the whole experience was about. And guys, I have never bought something this luxurious before, so it was super amazing. And so we start off by opening the Gucci bag, which comes in a Gucci box, which when you open it comes another little Gucci baggie. So it's super cute. I mean, this was like top of the line packaging, guys. And when you open the bag, you go ahead and get the belt, and the belt is also wrapped in some packaging as well, and it just was super beautiful. As you can see, double G's. I am in love. So this first outfit I would love to wear for a night out, maybe out for a fancy dinner, and this belt just totally makes this dress even more sophisticated. I love it. Dress is from Fashion Nova, and of course, like I said, the belt just makes it put together. If you're down to get these outfits yourself, I'll go ahead and put the links to them in the description box below. So this next look is definitely more cash, just jeans and a nice blouse. The blouse is from Fashion Nova, and just putting the belt on, I love it so much. This can be like an outfit for a girl's brunch or just out and about on your day for work. I just love it. And again, the belt just adds that extra. If you are going for a more boss lady look, this is the one. The pantsuit is from Fashion Nova. Adding that Gucci belt in there makes you look like you can conquer the world. You walk in the room, everybody looks at you, and everybody knows that you're the boss. And this last look, you guys, I love it. It's super elegant. Everything put together looks amazing. The dress is from Fashion Nova, and of course, adding that Gucci belt in there makes you look like $1,000,000. There are many more endless ways to style this belt. It is so versatile. You can wear it with jeans, dress, skirt, shorts, whatever. But these are some of my 4 favorites for today. And I'll be bringing you guys more looks soon. So make sure, again, you subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Say bye, Buzz. Say bye, Buzz.
Oh, that's good. That's better than anything I said.